Okay, what's up guys? Welcome to another video of IRL Player. Today I'm gonna be 1v1ing some random people in Rivals. You can read the title if you want, then you'll know everything that's going on. Let's get into it. Okay, settings. Now we go to, hold on, let me. Okay, I was just checking my settings. Okay, let's get into it quick. Okay, we got level 84, not too bad, with a black colored skin avatar. I'm not racist, guys, okay? I'm not racist. Let's do this. Assault rifle, slingshot, scythe, and mech it. Let's go. What is this sensitivity? Who changed? Oh my god. No, I got deflected. Oh my holy macaroni. This is so trash. Oh my god, I hate this sensitivity. Hey, mech kit, bro. Why mech? I mean, I've mech kit too, but okay, this is going on bad. Oh my gosh, I need to change this sensitivity. I hate it. Oh, I hate sniper, bro. Bro, why sniper? Bro, stop. Boy, he's a katana guy. Let me change the sensitivity real quick. Change to, no, this is 0.95. Okay, let's do 1.1. Okay, 1. Okay, great. 1. Rematch. Arena. Back rooms. Okay, playground. Okay, we're doing playground map. I hate this map. Ignore the background breathing noises. It's just my brother. Yeah, just ignore those. Oh no, not sniper, bro, sniper. Ah! He's gonna deflect, he's gonna deflect. Yep, knew it. Okay. No, flare gun! Yeah! Ignore the background. It's just my brother screaming at me. Okay. Ow! The sniper, are you kidding me? Ignore the background, please. I'm turning off my mic screaming at my bro! Okay. But this guy's like a sniper guy. I can't use sniper because my aim is trash. Oh my gosh. 40. Oh, I hate flare gun. No, you're kidding me. Sorry? Okay, GG. Like, actually, GG. RPG. Let's use flare gun, same as him. Right shield. No. Knife and freeze. No, he already did so much. Oh, no, I hate. Give me a sec. Okay, hide from him. Hide. No, okay, great. Perfect. Okay. Oh, katana. No, I froze myself too. It's just perfect. Oh, they actually. Yeah, RPG is so much more OP. Do you guys hate it like when you maybe use an annoying weapon, then your teammate copies you and you die, and then they keep using it and they keep dying, and you lose to like, I don't know, a level 50 player? That's insane. I'll never join your party. You literally beat me twice. I'm not clicking. It's moving by itself. I'm actually not pressing any button. No, I'm not pressing any button. What? Hold on. Oh, there we go. He said join my party. No. Never ever. An RG rifle. I hate this one. Same shot. Very good. Just new. Oh. I reached. Oh. Can I waste my? Yeah. No. I'll just waste my keys. Who cares? Oh, this is so. Oh, I hate this so much. Do you even get anything when you level up? You only get this. A bit racist, but yeah. Everything in the primary is so expensive. More than 400. Most of, except for flamethrower. Flamethrower is pretty good, but it's only for close range. I kind of like energy pistols, but it's like a spam weapon. Okay, let's go. 27 streak. 1v1 someone else. Let's just do this. Let's do 2v2 or 1v1. Let's do 2v2. I'm not gonna swear in case there are kids watching this. Little kids, if you hear anyone swear, don't follow, please. If you hear me swear, don't, please. I don't want your parents coming after me. Bless. We are so cooked. Thank you, lag. Thank you. Reload. Where is he? I don't see him. Oh, he's there. Hello, mister. Do you want to die? I'll take that as a yes.
You wanna die? Oh, I'll take
that
that
as
as
a
a
yes. Okay. If you hear any background breathing or whatever, it's just my brother sitting beside me chilling. And now I think since he heard that, I think he's gonna breathe way louder so that I don't get any sneeze. I'm sorry if the mic's not working, okay? If the mic's not working, just ignore the video. Oh my gosh, this guy's obsessed with knife. Wait, did I see diamond wrap? Oh my gosh, no, I'm not dealing with this guy. I really need shotgun leg right now. Bro, how? Oh, I hate right shield, bro. Okay, next round I'm gonna use the most annoying weapon. Yes, Abe, let's go, babe. Okay, he's right there. Yes, you're going the right way. No, you're not. He's right there. To your right. Oh yeah, I forgot. Right. Yes. Bro. No, you need... Bro, chase him down. What's wrong with you? Molotov. Okay. What are you doing? What? Right shield blocks scythe now? Didn't know that. Oh, just dash. It gets a cooldown, but just dash. Yes. We can win. Yes, we won. Since he has lower health, Okay, great, perfect. We're gonna win. Okay, guys, if you, okay, let's go. Let's use slingshot. Oh, are they gonna beat us? I don't think so. Oh. How much damage did you? Okay, not bad. Second. Okay, guys, should I end the video or should I make a part 2? Okay, goodbye, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll put the part 2 link in the comments. Or maybe the description. Either. Bye, guys. If my microphone's not working. Wait. If my microphone is not working, I'm sorry. Okay. Goodbye, guys. Have a nice day ahead. And see you the next